The winter in Southeast Alaska isn't particularly cold compared to the rest of Alaska, but it is still pretty long. So we tend to burn a lot of wood in the winter, and that's our primary source of heat because electricity is fairly expensive and heating fuel is really expensive. So we're always on the lookout for firewood. It's nice when you can find a tree that just fell across the road or right next to the road, because it just makes it so much easier than cutting down a dead tree, because unless you got special permits, you can only cut down you can only cut down fully dead trees or collect firewood from ones that have already fallen over. I usually go the have fallen over route just because I've never been a fan of cutting down trees, even when they're dead, because it's just kind of spooky. They could easily fall on you, or other people who are better at it do it all the time, like it's no big deal, and as long as you got the skills. But I don't really have the skills. I'm more of a fisherman and a hunter than a woodcutter. The chainsaw manuals that tell you that you have to wear a face guard, you got to wear chainsaw chaps to protect your legs, you got to wear steel toe boots, and they'd be right, you totally should. So don't do what I do and follow the manual. I'm a hypocrite like that. You should definitely be wearing chainsaw chaps unless you want to end up like Captain Ahab, which fortunately I work on the ocean, so peg legs are a much more acceptable fashion accessory. firewood goes, that was pretty easy duty. Right next to the road, just pushed it up, tossed her in the truck, good to go. Well, that was Sitka Spruce, which is not the best firewood. We usually prefer Western hemlock, which by the standards of the Eastern United States is not good wood either. But all we have is conifers, so we make do. And it all burns nicely. I think we'll be nice and toasty for another winter. I'm gonna go home, get myself a cup of coffee. All right, guys. See you next time.